Okay guys, kind of giving you an update on the shop situation. Wound up buying a new house, got an offer on our property, the acreage, 1,200 square foot shop that we were building out. But this is going to be the future home. We're going to be knocking down these walls here. Got a bathroom back there. Taking out these beams, raising the roof so we can get a lift in this one. But just want to kind of give you guys an update. Where we're at right now, why we haven't been posting a bunch. Been really busy taking this thing to the next level. But plenty of room for plenty of toys, builds. Cool part about this one, it's still going to have air conditioning. It's going to be fully insulated. But this wall here right in front of us is coming out. Let me kind of stand at the very back so you can kind of get an idea. So, fully at the back wall now. Plenty of room. Our old shop didn't have the restroom, so that was a must. Sink, toilet, whole 9 yards. That was a must because I absolutely hated being in the middle of a build or just under a dash and had to run inside to go, you know what. But this room, we're thinking here, maybe a fab room. Gonna completely build that off. Storage up top. But this wall on this side is gonna be taken out so we can raise the ceiling and obviously get a lift in here. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. Stay tuned for the Whipple F-150 video coming out. That thing's exhaust is extremely loud, so we're going to be swapping that out. Going to be playing with a couple of different scenarios to get it back to sleep mode. So stay tuned for that video coming soon, and let you know what it sounds like before we start making it quiet. Anyhow, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.